we also have a continent that managed to jump to 900 million cell phone subscribers, making it one of the fast-growing spaces on the planet for cell phone services.
It grows so fast. We are probably one of, or probably the only company who focuses so much on usability of cryptocurrency. Why cryptocurrency? How can it change the world? And our two slogans are the future of payments or join the financial revolution. We believe that actually cryptocurrency can be a vehicle for money transfers. So for example, as you do Western Union transfers, you can use cryptocurrency to do a transfer. Fast, borderless payments. And there's a huge demand for this. 2 billion of people have no bank account. 2 billion.
Tomorrow here at the summit that Austria is hosting on that determination to bring connectivity inland in Africa.
Of course, we cannot capture all of them. But again, if we capture only 10 million or 100 million people, it's a network. It grows so fast. We see what happened. You know, December 2014, I was sitting at my desk and I had a bet with Per Carlson, who is not here anymore, if we will manage to have 10,000 people. And we did a huge celebration with 10,000 people. Today we have 2 million after 12 months. It is incredible. And this is the network effect. The more people know about OneCoin, the more they will come and the stronger the brand becomes.
So we are hoping to work on simple ways in which people can connect to the digital economy. And we see there two really critical steps. One is digital ID, the ability to say me is me in a digital manner.
A currency can never make it really big and be accepted by governments, regulators, if you are anonymous and if you give individuals the opportunity for money laundering and for bad things. And if you all follow the press, you know that Bitcoin always is a boost for things like this. Anonymous transactions, people buying drugs, buying weapons, buying things that they should not.
And the second one is to have the government to put as much as possible its services to people on a digital platform, ePay, moving from cash to digital payments on a massive scale. Moving from cash to digital payments on a massive scale.
This is something that we do not want to do with OneCoin. We don't want people who need this anonymity, they can go somewhere else, but not with us. And this is also why we are very, very strict on procedures. Whoever joins OneCoin does a KYC procedure, where you upload your ID card, and we do everything that the regulator even does not want us to do, but we do this to show that we are a legitimate business to stay. We cannot grow this company really big and be a global player if we don't play by the rules. And this is very important for us.
Of course, also revolutionize the world, globalization. People want to do business globally easier and faster. This is also a reason why OneCoin will work very well. But whenever I think about the big picture and the vision, I always think first of the unbanked people, then I think of the merchants who want to do business all over, and then again we think about the unbanked who want to do remittances,
Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you have to get out of get it free. Don't be afraid, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. I got a room, I got.
Then small sums, you know, if they go and want to send 100 euro home and somebody takes 30 euro away for fees, I don't believe this is fair. And this is not necessary. This is what I think.
Thank you, Madame, for that update and overview. And I want to, on behalf of everyone here, thank the IMF and the World Bank Group for your support of the Parliamentary Network. As we talk about transparency and accountability for parliamentarians from around the world, your support for our continuing work is very much appreciated and indeed makes this event today happen.
And last but not least, and this is actually the fun part of my job, I can tell you, we are absolutely determined to be an engine for the countries, especially in Africa, to catch up with the digital economy. And that means access to internet, it means digital ID, it means e-commerce, it means e-government. We are determined to see Africa by 2030 having 100% access to the internet for people, for businesses, for governments.
My future, or my vision actually, is the one card, making cryptocurrency one currency like the euro, like the dollars, that you just can go and spend with your card, which can be a Visa, MasterCard, China Union Pay, whatever. Make it the real currency that people just can go and spend out there. I have done my job whenever all of you can go with their card and just spend OneCoins for a dinner. This is when cryptocurrency actually became real for me. The future is with technology and with us. Thank you very much.